Want to put a pilot hole in there? You want to put a pilot hole in there? Easy now. Slow. Feel it. You gotta feel it.
Okay.
You gotta feel it, okay? You can't feel it if you go like that. Yeah. You feel it. Look. Make sure you're in the hole. Make sure you're in the hole before you go crazy. Are you in the hole? Take the clamp loose. Let's see what happens.
Labasin mo ang ulo.
I want you to feel on the back side. See if you can feel the screw working. Take your hand, take that off, and see if you can feel on the back side. The screw! The screw!
Daki!
Lapad yung paon. Go ahead. Clamp off. Put it in the hole. Okay. Put it in the hole. Still on it. What? No. Still on it. Okay, now you get on the ratchet. Huh? Yeah. So go ahead and screw that one. Get it in the hole. Huh? You're not deep enough yet. Bring it out clear of the tip. Clear of the tip. Look. There you go. Always clear of the tip. Never stick your dick in a pussy if it's not big enough. Push it over. Get square.
Yes, now.
You can't push it over. More deep.
So kamu.
You gonna screw it?
Yeah.
You gonna screw it? Boy. Use this screw here. It's longer. You're gonna have fun with this one, okay? All right.
Teko na ulan. Dito na bisa ko.
You're gonna need two hands.